Okay, so we're going to talk about the maintenance on our B5 and 7.5 screw compressor. First off, the maintenance kit number is right here, found on the side panel. We're going to remove the side panel to get access to our maintenance parts. The side panel comes off like so. Okay, first thing at the back here, we have our air oil separator filter. To gain access to that, you want to remove the top cap, and then you can spin off the filter and it comes right up through the top. Next here we have the air filter. Simply remove the air hose and the wing nut on top of the cap. And lift off the plastic lid, and there is your air filter ready for service. Just put that right back on. That back. Put back the air hose, and then we can put the wing nut back on. Okay, next we have the oil cap. This is where you would put the oil into the air ends. To drain the oil, you'll want to get the tube from the packet that came with the unit. You can install it in the valve here, open the valve, and you can drain out the oil. And to remove that, just pop that back off. And lastly, we have the oil filter. It's just a simple spin-off filter. You can remove that and replace the new one. And that is all.